I don't know if you've gone through this, but at some point, we reach a dead end in looking for ways to earn money online. But today, you're in luck. In this video, I'll be showing you 5 new ways to get some cash by simply doing a quick search on Google. This requires minimal technical skills, no degrees required, and you won't even have to pay for anything. If you are familiar with searching on Google, I'm certain this way to earn money anytime is the answer for you. So make sure you try and check all these websites I am about to share with you. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating idea we've got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Number 1. The first way by which you can make money online by conducting a Google search is by using a website called serpclicks.com. This website is the platform through which you can generate money. The site also does not require any prior knowledge on your part before you begin earning money, and it is totally free to use. And in a nutshell, what this platform does is charge other businesses and websites a fee to assist them in ranking higher on Google so that more people visit their websites. Your task will be to conduct a search on Google for the names of these websites, after which you will click on those websites to improve their position in the search results displayed by Google. You have the potential to earn money for every website that you navigate to and click on. The fact that the site has a minimum payout of just $5, which is quite easy to make, means that you do not have to wait days before you can withdraw your money, which is another thing that I enjoy about this site. And after you hit the threshold of $5, the money will be transferred over to your PayPal account on its own. It's likely that the majority of you already have a PayPal account, but for those of you who don't, I strongly suggest that you sign up for PayPal right now so that you may start contributing to this website as soon as possible. No application is necessary, which means that you do not have to wait until you are accepted to join the program. Rather, you will be accepted immediately after you do so. To begin, all you need to do is click on the button that says Start My Free Trial on this page, and then you may fill out this section with your personal information. But before we get to our next website, make sure you've liked this video by giving us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see more of the easiest ways to earn money online. Now, let's continue. Number 2. Now, method number 2 is where you actually have the potential to make more money, since we are going to be selling through the use of a simple Google search. So pay close attention to what I am saying, because if you carry out these steps, you will not just make hundreds of dollars, but can make thousands as well. Therefore, the first thing you need to do is fire up Google and run a search for companies in your area. You may, for instance, search for gyms in Los Angeles or cake shops in London. The next step is to locate the websites that do not have the highest page rank. You will need to scroll down the page and find lower ranking websites on the second or third page. Since all of these sites are not ranked in the first page of search results, they are losing a significant number of clients as well as a significant amount of money. Our objective now is to assist them in ranking better in search results. It might be any kind of company, and the location of the site is irrelevant. Simply navigate to their website using the link provided, and all of their contact information will be displayed there in some capacity. For instance, the email is located right there in this very tab. After that, all that is required of you is to send them an email and suggest that they make use of one of the tools that will assist them in rising higher in search results. Mangles.com is one of the tools that you can provide for them to utilize. As can be seen here, this tool assists websites in ranking, and it also assists websites in competing with other websites in other similar activities. If you go down further on this page, you will discover that they have collaborated with some of the most successful businesses in the world, such as Airbnb and Adidas. And at this point, all that is required of you is to navigate to the very bottom of the website, where it will say Affiliate Program, and click on the link. After that, you will be able to sign up with them and receive your affiliate link. When you refer someone to this site, you will receive a commission of 30% of their lifetime earnings. Therefore, as long as the company continues to employ SEO to rank higher in Google, you will also continue to generate income. Therefore, if someone spends $1,000 on Mango individuals each month. You will make $300 from just that one individual every month. Therefore, you should make an effort to communicate with as many companies as you possibly can. When you have more companies to promote, you will naturally bring in more cash. Number 3. The third platform that we are going to talk about here is called microworkers.com, and on this website you will be able to find a variety of different micro jobs that you can accomplish to earn money. Finishing these tasks will take only a few seconds of your time. They welcome applicants from all around the world, so it doesn't make a difference where you're from. Therefore, the first thing that you will need to do is register an account. The procedure for signing up is pretty straightforward. Let's stop for a moment, and I'll give you a chance to ask any questions you may have in the comments section below. So ask any question and let us know how we can help you make money anytime in the comments section below. Alright, let's get going. To register, simply click the register button, fill out the form with your name, email address, and any other personal information you would like to provide, and then click the submit button. After you have confirmed your email address, it will then bring you to this page. Now all you have to do is click on the text that says jobs, and it will bring up a list of the available positions. As you can see, there are approximately 1,700 positions that are open here at the company right now. You can do everything such as going to websites and making comments in social media. In addition to that, you get paid to search on Google. Usually, you can earn 5 cents, while some tasks can pay up to 10 cents. The payout may seem small, but the tasks you will be assigned are simple, which means many can be accomplished at one time. Every little bit adds up, and with multiple tasks accomplished, it's a simple way to make money anytime. To find more tasks, all you have to do is keep scrolling down the page to find more opportunities to earn money. Additionally, you can choose the kind of work that you wish to undertake using this menu. For instance, if I select the option that says click search, it will only show me tasks that involve clicking and searching for things. Number 4. Let's move on to our next website on our list, which happens to be my personal favorite because it's the site where I was able to generate a significant amount of income for myself. This website is known by its domain name, moneyanytime.com. I want you to pay attention now because I am going to demonstrate my approach. First, allow me to show that the functionality of this website has been verified, and as shown, they have already transferred this cash to my PayPal account. Therefore, there should be no doubt that this website is genuine. Let me walk you through the process of really using this by taking you back to the homepage. It's not as hard as you might think. As you can see, their mission is to provide cutting-edge concepts to the most successful businesses in the world. So to put it simply, we have a lot of companies that come to this website to ask questions because they want some assistance from individuals from you and me to make their business better. These are the questions they have. You just need to click on one of them, copy the questions, then paste it into Google and look for some answers that are relevant to it. The majority of them pay $1,600, and all you have to do to get paid is do that. After that, you need to return to this page to submit your answers. Therefore, it is important that you first create an account. The concept is quite simple. All you have to do is start responding to as many questions as you can. The more questions and articles you submit, the greater the chance that you will earn money from them. Number 5 in our search Google strategy that I will reveal to you is one that has been used by many to earn money anytime. Utilizing respondent.io is the 5th approach to generating money online by using Google search as your primary tool. You have the potential to earn up to $700 per hour by using the platform known as respondent.io. And the reason that they are willing to spend so much is that they get assistance with their research from large corporations like Microsoft and Dropbox, which often visit this website. However, this specific strategy is not as simple as those that came before it because it does require more work on your part. You will need to conduct a great deal of Google searching to get as much information as possible. However, you also make a very good living at it. You will be able to see exactly how much money you have the potential to make if we click on participants right now. If you are a marketer, you can expect to make approximately $150. If you are a software developer, you can expect to make approximately $200, and if you are an executive, you can expect to make approximately $700, and so on. So it is also a great side hustle. So what do you think? There are many ways to earn money anytime by optimizing the search function on Google. We'd like to hear your success stories in the comment section below. How much have you earned since creating an account? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to see you there. Thank you very much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more ways to earn money anytime. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.